If you are unproductive, lazy, and stuck in a procrastination rut, it's because you're selling yourself the wrong idea. If you treat productivity as a sale, as I'm going to teach you in this video using the actionable steps I've generated to help you along the way, I guarantee that you'll complete the work you need to get done more efficiently and effectively. Hello, I'm Dylan, I'm 18, I coach lazy people to become productive using tactical techniques and strategies that have changed my life forever. I went from someone who spent 5,000 hours or 210 days straight on Call of Duty and other such video games to someone who effortlessly and easily breezes through large banks of my work for my business, education and personal development goals. And this video potentially will change your life. When you start treating productivity like a sale, you see incredible progression. And what do I mean by a sale? So I sell products through my YouTube channel, but I don't sell them in the traditional way. I sell them like a salesperson. I sell daily planners that are made for lazy people to become productive by having a structured template to plan their days effectively and efficiently. But I don't sell them the progression. I don't say this planner will help you plan your days better, or when you fill out this planner you'll know what you need to do for the day. You're not selling them the process, you're selling them the dream. This planner will be your one-stop shop to achieve every goal you've set yourself in the next year of your life. Boom. Rather than selling the process, you're selling the dream, and this is what you need to do for yourself. So just as I'm not selling the process of planning your days, and this will help you plan your days with this template, with this structure, with this layout, you're selling them the dream. This planner will allow you to dominate every single piece of work you set yourself, bringing the success to you and your family that you've desired from a very young age. Boom. You're not selling the process, you're selling the dream. And how can we apply this to ourselves? So simply put, everybody before they're doing some work, or if they're struggling and faltering in procrastination and productivity, they hype themselves up. Come on, we're going to do this work, we're going to do it easily, do it productively. That's not what you should hype yourself with. You should hype yourself with the goals you want to complete. So you're about to study for an exam, you're about to do some revision. Rather than hyping yourself up to do the revision, to complete the process of revising, doing the past paper, hype yourself up with the result. You imagine yourself on results day. You just opened your A-level result slip and you've just got 4 A stars. Boom. Just by visualizing the end result, just by selling yourself the dream result of completing this work, you'll be hyper motivated to complete it, because you're not focusing on the process, you're focusing on the outcome, on the final destination of what this productive work will bring you, and it will give you a nice intrinsic motivation to complete the work, because instead of focusing on the process of completing the past paper that you've just put on your desk, you're focusing on opening your results day slip and seeing the result you've always dreamed of. This is what you need to sell your brain. Don't sell the process, sell the outcome, sell the dream, sell what you desire, and you'll find motivation will seep into the work you're trying to complete. You'll be more productive, you'll be more efficient, you'll be more effective. And this is the solution for you. So here's the actionable step. Visualize what the task will bring you. Not now, but the end goal you desire. So in business, if you're completing a task for your business, instead of focusing on visualizing the process and you going through and being productive, visualize the end result. Visualize the car you want, the financial freedom you want, the house you want, the money and the ability to support your family. Visualize the smile on your mother's face as you give her the dream handbag she's always wanted, etc., etc. As long as you visualize the end goal and you sell yourself the dream of what this productive bank of work will bring you, I'm sure you'll find motivation, and it can come from different areas. Some people may visualize this monetary success, this materialism. Others might literally visualize their parents' jobs being unnecessary, them handing them the money that their parents would earn in the next month, and the ability to retire your family, to get them out of this sticky, stuck situation, financially burdened situation that ruins their mental health day to day. That might be the motivation for you, but whatever it is, sell yourself the dream and not the process, and you'll find motivation seeps in. However, there is a caveat, there is a secondary problem that can occur from this solution to your procrastination and unproductivity in your work, and this problem could ruin everything. See, when you're visualizing the results, the achievement, the dream that you're really selling yourself, your brain has a rise in dopamine. And this is the motivation you feel to complete the task. Your brain's got this rise in the motivation hormone, the neurotransmission of success, because you're on this path. You feel yourself getting along this path to your goals, and this is why the motivation and the dopamine is being released. However, once you visualize for so long that your brain thinks that you've actually succeeded in the goals that you've set yourself, dopamine drops, the motivation drops, and the neurotransmission of this drive you feel towards your work cuts out. This is because the majority of the dopamine that's released in your brain to make you feel motivated only is released when you're going towards the goal, when you're on this process of completing tasks to get towards your goal. When you're running, and you set yourself a goal of running 10 kilometers, you'll feel motivated, driven, and dopamine will be rampant as you're running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 kilometers. But as soon as you hit 10 and you've completed it, you'll get a little bit more, but then boom, it drops because you've achieved the goal. So if you trick yourself with this visualization into disillusioning your brain that you've achieved the goal you're setting yourself, you're gonna fail in productivity and you're gonna be stuck even lazier than you were in the position before, because you've just tricked your brain into thinking you've achieved the results of your dream. And is that motivating? Do you think your brain's going to be motivated and release dopamine if it thinks it's already completed everything it set out to do? And the answer is no. So how can we give a solution to this secondary problem that we face? And simply put, just put a time limit on the visualization. 5 minutes will be enough to get the motivation rampant, the dopamine flowing through your system, so you can get into this flow position on the work you need to complete. 5 minutes of visualization to sell yourself the dream outcome rather than the process, giving yourself this motivation to complete the tasks. I hope you found this useful. If you're looking to get more help from me on a more personal level, I have a free one-to-one consultation link in the description where I can analyze how I can help you become productive in your day-to-day life and finally bring you the results you desire and, quite frankly, you deserve. If you're looking to dominate the work you need to complete in your business, personal education, and self-improvement goals, then this meeting's for you. It's completely free, no obligations. The top link's there if you're interested in becoming the best version of yourself. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you.